Please make Big Blue 2.0.
The absolute noob from the last video.
Stop embarrassing me, please.
No, I want to.
And we're doing 9 of our worst to best bays versus a new bay.
Hey, you noob. Who, me? Yes, you.
Cabeas.
What do you want, Cabeas? I challenge you to battle everyone except for Luna, because she's my best friend, without a launcher.
Ooh. I think we should accept that challenge. Who's the new bay?
Let me see this. His name is Fafnir. Here, let's see.
Can you preview his abilities? Ooh, springy tip. Springy tip. This is satisfying. Stamina type?
Am I reading this one?
Wait, is it a stamina type? Because he looks like a stamina type.
It's a left spin.
A left spin? I just noticed that. Wait.
And also a stamina type.
Can you tell me what these rubber Fs are for? They look rubberish.
It just says rubber F?
Can you tell me the pieces?
So we got Fafnir, F3, 8, nothing. I think he didn't eat anything for breakfast today.
Fafnir ate nothing for breakfast.
Dad.
Fafnir ate nothing for breakfast.
I should have made him pop out of my hat. You know? Like, how cool that'd be.
What does the nothing tip do?
Wait. This, guys. Oh, no, I did it again. This would have been just cool, like, Fafnir ate nothing for breakfast today.
What does the nothing tip do?
So, apparently, look at this, guys. The nothing tip is spring-loaded.
Ooh, that's nice. First a spring-loaded layer, now a spring-loaded tip.
Bouncy.
Alright, now, let's set up the bag. Luno. So, Cabas, you said handspin, right?
Yes.
Alright, challenge accepted.
You must lose at least one battle, or else.
You know, it's physically impossible, you stupid idiot.
It looks like Fafnir's about to kick your butt.
Put me down.
Never. Let's get you back in line.
No, I hate
Get back in
lines.
line.
No, this reminds me of preschool.
Anyways, we're gonna be doing Valchik versus Fafnir. Then Lunor, then Mahami Boy Spryzen, then Quetzalcoatl, then Gainon, then you. Evapiro, the champion in the last series, Yejion, and Doomsizer.
I think we should do Lunar first, just because he's being a butt.
Yes, he is being a butt. Let's set up the one round per bay.
So,
Find you a launcher?
Yeah.
I got one for you.
Dig. I'm sorry, I was starting to dig.
Alright, Fafnir versus Lunor L2.
Wait, let me see if... no, get off. Let me see if my... Come on! There we go. Let me see if the sign on the door still says closed.
Yeah. Alright, Lunor versus Fafnir. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Whoa, did you guys see the bounce? Wait, the paper says Fafnir also has some defense aspects.
Really?
Yeah.
So he's basically invincible is what you're saying.
Let me see that. Yes.
Lunor just lost.
Oh.
Got his butt handed to him by Lunor. Fafnir. Got his butt handed.
Stop.
You got your butt handed to you.
No!
Yay! We're yeeting you at the end of the video.
Dead pile! Now, get in it! Ah!
Next up, Valchik versus Fafnir. Oh yeah, the handspin thing.
Oh, Cabeas.
We accept your challenge.
So, apparently he's a left spin. 3, 2, 1, let it go. What is it?
What? He should be down by now. What? Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
Burst.
Cabas, you're messing with the wrong people.
Look, guys, these rubber Fs mean drain spin. No wonder his name is Drain Fafnir. I thought that was just a misconception.
I think he should be your god tier bay.
Probably is.
Okay,
so from now on, we'll do 3-point battles because I really want it.
My next. Look at your camera.
Wiggle.
Look at Cosmic Claus's video. Alright.
It's really funny.
Surprising. Really, camera, really? Miss launch. Really surprising he burst now. Supersonic counter break. Okay, he bursted too. Wait, can he
One
drain
more
spin?
point. Can he drain spin metal? This is be funny.
It's a 1-round battle.
Oh, why not 3 points?
Fafnir looks like he's ready to chomp down the butt. We'll do 3 points for the final bay. Just 1 point for the rest, and then 3 points for the final bay.
Okay. Wait.
Fafnir just is in the normal rank bay tier. See.
You get your Beyblade ready. Go ahead, launch it now. I'm just going to put that out there. I gave him a head start. I put myself in a head start, which is a bad thing for Beyblade. So I gave him the good stuff.
Fafnir looks like he's ready to chomp on Quetzalcoatl.
Here.
What?
Chomped
Looks
on!
like Fafnir just got his point. I'm sorry, Quetzalcoatl, but you're out.
You're in the yeet pile with all these other
Next, Gynon. Next up, Gynon. What are you doing?
Crazy maniac. Show my viewers this. My viewers.
Yeah, I will. Hold on.
Cabeza is trying to attack my toe. Yeet. Not you too.
Oh wait. Rearrange the line back up, and we're gonna set up. Yeah.
All right.
Wait, you're really gonna launch from that high?
Yeah, I want to.
Ouch!
3, 2, 1.
Stop attacking my phone. Let's not do that. Let's not do that.
I'm gonna stand up instead. That was too much action.
Get in there.
Fine. Sit down. Winner! Okay, let's actually do this for real now. I'm just having so much fun with this Beyblade. What happened there?
Respin.
What happens there too? Okay. So this is how I was launching it, like this.
Get serious, dude.
So I'm getting serious. Why'd you launch before me, bro?
Die, Gynon.
Please do this one.
Oh my god. Die, Fafnir. Die. What the frick? He's unkillable. This bay is literally unkillable. What did you just buy? That's not even a Beyblade anymore.
It's
What
buy
is
at your
it?
own risk, so I'm bought at my own risk.
What did you even buy? Who'd you say won that?
This man won it because he was still rocking.
Alright, Cabez. Don't think about possessing me.
Hey, I want to eat your child. Ow.
I'll put that to watch later because I like 8-Bit Ryan.
Cabez, since you begged some... Cabez basically begged for
Die, you
death.
pathetic weakling. Die.
Cabez,
Die.
I'd say you basically begged for your death.
What do you mean? Die, pathetic weakling.
Fafnir won. You're gonna get yeeted alongside the others.
Slam it into the eat pile, punk! And I think that's your cut part.
Next up, you landed on the Beyblades.
Ouch! My shoulder! I seriously am. You piece of garbage. Wait, this is 3-point battle, isn't it?
No, it's Doomsizer is a 3-point battle.
Wait, how long did you wait till I launched?
I just launched instantly.
I don't believe you.
Fine.
I'll stay. Wait. He was on the verge of bursting.
Alright. I'm gonna launch Evapiro, and then you're gonna launch Fafnir.
No way. That's why he failed. His tip was jammed.
He's standing right there.
I fixed it. Wait.
Stop, you're making the video too.
He bursted inside. Oh my god, that's my phone read anyways. I guess Fafnir can't. Wait. Let me see this. I don't think Fafnir can drain spin off of Evapiro.
Ooh.
If that's the case, then.
I think
Oh
launcher
wait,
spin.
no, never mind.
I think launcher spin for Fafnir is effective.
Never mind. Apparently, I was just being an idiot and launching wrong.
Okay, now next is Yagjion. Yeah, boy, Yagjion up yet next. What was I about to say?
I don't know.
Don't do it. Only if Fafnir loses.
No, only if Fafnir wins. Got my toe in the stadium.
And Fafnir won.
Ah! Wait, give. Put your hand on top of my hand, and then we're gonna push them into the pile together. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, there!
Up is Doomsizer.
I'm showing you guys this. This is literally now called the dead pile.
You do know we're gonna have to put all these bays back together before
I know,
eating
but
them, right?
Quetzalcoatl's tip is all the way over there. Exact same pieces.
Doomsizer D3 versus Fafnir. Wait. You're gonna have to
Oh,
relaunch him.
no, I'm not gonna have to relaunch him. Okay, that's going to have to be a relaunch because there's no. Okay, pick up the pieces.
Wait.
No relaunches if no there's going to be a relaunch if no contact made, of course, but. What? No, I don't want to watch that.
Looks like.
Whatever that was. No.
Alright.
Is my
Would you
volume
say
off?
Doomsizer got a point? Would you say Doomsizer got a point?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to turn on my volume though, and see if my video actually recorded volume.
Alright,
Let it. Okay, I guess
Doomsizer. You know what?
Doomsizer.
Should we end the bet?
Yeah.
Launch time. Ending the bet.
And also, you guys should like and subscribe and come check out my channel. Then like and
Fafnir
subscribe.
versus Doomsizer.
Because I'm doing this exclusively for him.
Fafnir only needs one more point. Hey, I have a question for you. From now on, after every new baby release, should we make it go up against a one-round battle for Fafnir?
I forgot to do the eating.
We'll do it in my video.
No, we'll do it next video.
Alright. And Doomsizer attacks wildly on Fafnir. Looks like Doomsizer is now going to have a happy ending. And I was right.
That video next. Like.
Wow. I didn't expect Fafnir to be all those bays. Well, I think Fafnir did so good. I think we're posting in the next video. Yeah, you heard me. Triple upload. So power up that like button. Tell me that first one. Comment, get to the official shout out. Ring the bell. Check out my brother's channel. Do the same thing. And I'll be seeing you next episode.